If you're facing an account lock on Scrivener Cloud, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you regain access to your account in no time. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Scrivener regarding your account status. They may have sent you a notification about the login instructions on how to proceed. Step 2. Reset your password. Visit the Scrivener login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password, which may help unlock your account. Step 3. Contact support. If resetting your password doesn't work, reach out to Scrivener's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation for further assistance. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for their response. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up to ensure your issue is addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account lock issue and regain access to your Scrivener Cloud account.